this idea of risk and consequence. I think it's really important to differentiate the two, because consequence, in my experience, is often a very static attribute of whatever you're going through, whatever your endeavor is. If I fall, gravity's going to act on my body the same way, no matter how prepared I am. But risk is relative. Risk is relative to your preparation. It's relative to your mindset. It's relative to the conditions in the moment. It's relative to so many things. So had I walked up to ambrosia the first time I saw it and tried to climb it, the risk would have been immense. But it felt, in the day I did it, like I was taking no risk. The consequences were the same on day 0 as on day whatever when I did it. But that was the process. The process was de-risking the endeavor through the preparation. So going into the dawn wall, I knew that the consequence of failure was always going to be the same. It's just going to be personal. That's all it's going to be. And the risk of walking away at the beginning was small, but every day that went by, the risk of walking away, it actually it grew with time, because I was more attached to my partner, more attached to the project, more attached to the outcome. And I've always just taken that lesson that risk it can feel like it's the same thing as consequence when you're in the middle of something, but they're independent variables. And risk is something that you can actually manipulate.